To make a group chat on Samsung A14, I recommend doing this on the Google Messages app. This is the best messaging for this. So once we open Google Messages, let's make sure we have RCS. So tap on your profile picture on the right hand side and then go into the Messages settings. In this one, we're first going to select the RCS chats and make sure this is on, and if necessary, verify your number as well. Then we're going to go back to the settings and we're going to scroll all the way down until we see the advanced options. In advanced, we will see the group messaging. Tap on this one and we see this, and I want you to set this to send an MMS reply to all recipients, as if it's set to send an SMS reply, then everyone will get text individually. They won't be put in a group chat. Everyone who is in your group chat has to have this setting on as well. Now we're going to tap the compose button or the new message button. You will then tap the create group option. Once you've added your contacts, tap the next. Then set a group name and then tap the done button. Now once created, you can send text messages, but please note, if an iPhone user is in this, sometimes the group chat will just glitch out for half an hour. Your messages won't receive. So please keep that in mind. Important messages, just send someone a message directly.